a hello guys. Kids love to learn. They love to learn about new things, and that's why they watch the TV most of the time. And so this mostly Nickelodeon. So today we're going to be talking about a new ICU which is based first blockchain I've seen that is kids based. Yeah, it's looking at how it could help kids learn about finances and why they earn some money, some funds, some crypto coins known as get some coins while they assist their parents in carrying out some activities. So while you get your kids to do some stuff, and when they done, you send them some of these tokens, and these tokens they can save it up on their device. It has a device and they can save it up there and use it on a later date. It's a way of why they play games, also they earn coins. So let's check it out. This is known as Pixby. That's the name, and it's a very interesting, the first kids oriented project. You can check them out on pixby.com. Yeah, it's a piggy wallet and not a bank. It's a digital wallet and not a digital bank. Registered. Their products already are available, and is for children within the ages of 6 years. Children within ages of 6 years. So if your kid is up to 6 years, you can have one. And the ICO is up now at the moment. It's presently live. Yes, and they already raised past a soft cap of 2.8 million, heading towards the hard cap, which is 8.85 million USD. 7.25 already raised today. They already raised 7.25. They have a growth community on their Telegram community of about 32,000 plus members already. Also on Twitter, I will dropping the link down at the below section. You can see it there. Their Facebook link also, and Twitter. A great community there. And others like the Medium, YouTube, and Reddit. They also read about. You can watch out what Wired is saying about them, as well as other interesting reviews on Quaz, Bitcoin Nests. Let's talk about Pixby. So Pixby is a piggy wallet which is powered by Wolu, which is the cryptocurrency you're going to be buying on the ICO during the ICO sales. So these ICO sales, you'll be buying it there. That is Wolu, and it has four sections, one of which is the piggy wallet. It's a hardware device, pink in color, for adults, for children, and a black one for black wallet for adults. They have the Wolo, which is a Swiss-based token, and the wallet is an educational wallet, and which you can use to learn about some lessons about finances, how they could keep their finances, and also use it as a controller in playing video games, which is available on iPad. It's also a cold storage device. The wallet is a cold storage device, just like your Ledger wallet you have. This is a wallet for kids. You can buy these tokens. Wolo tokens is available now. They also have a Wolo card for withdrawal. You to spend your money anywhere in the world. So it's an easy way of spending your money anywhere in the world. The Pixby is one of the functions is to educate children about the future of money, how they could use this money, how they could save up and use the money later at another time. educating students. Your children know about, get them introduced into Bits blockchain and in an early time. They already have its functions is going to be making solving some issues, one of which is the high transfer funds recognizable with normal banking. Wolo will be reducing the cost of money transfer, making it a little bit fraction of the amount of money you are sending. Also, we have a situation at the moment about geographical location with families moving and their children schooling in another country. Pixby have about 180 countries, and so it will be easy for you to transfer funds from one location to another. Also, they have a wallet which will make it easy for you to send money in less than few hours time. Your kids already have the money in their wallet for them to spend, and with one currency which is known as Wolo, general world currency, that will be easy for them to spend anywhere in the world. The public sale already started, and the total Wolo token supply available is less than a billion, about 675 million Wolo tokens available as a token supply, and the token allocated for ICO is about 175 million tokens. As I say, the hard cap of 8.85, and the soft cap of 2.8 million. Soft cap already reached. They accept Ethereum as a payment during these sales. They have some specific packages for you can and where which you can earn rewards. 1000 Wolo, which is 120 USD. Some interesting packages here where you can buy and win and get some rewards. 5000 Wolo, you'll be getting a pink Pixby for your children. At 10,000 Wolo, you'll be getting an extra black Pixby, which is for the adults, a cold storage device for adults, and just like a ledger wallet. And then all that tokens which is available, the rewards are available. You have to portage to be a part of this ICO. You have to register on Edo. You have to go to Edo, get an Edo wallet, download it, and complete the KYC. It's available. Edo wallet is available on Mac, iOS, Windows. I already have 1 year on my iPhone. You can get it from App Store and also from Play Store. It's also available on Linux app. Yeah. Then next, you go to your Edo app, and then you already have some Ether. Then you use it to get your Edo. You log into the Edo app and use the Ethereum from your Edo app to buy Wolo tokens. And then if you reach the estimated checkpoints, you get some rewards. If you need some extra help, you can check the guide, or you can check out their community on Telegram, ask some questions, and be sure that you get answers. The features of the app, there are two types of Pixby wallets. The Pixby Pink, which has an option for game controller for children, and then the Pixby Black as a cold storage wallet for adults. It's a very nice wallet, so your kids can learn easily on time how to use this wallet, this hardware. It also has some features, some multimedia, and you'll be sure that it is safe and secure wallet with you having your private keys, so you are in charge of controlling and protecting your wallet. It has a connection option for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You have to be able to update your balance whenever you receive. This is the app, this is the wallet, and the functionality of, you can check out their white paper for the functionality of the Pixby wallet. With the Pixby wallet, the parents with the black Pixby wallet, the wallet you can send, transfer Wolo. You can also transfer, give child support to your kids from your wallet. And the children can take out tax activities for their parents and learn about their finances, and also receive play games and then receive rewards for doing that. This is the team, one led by Filipino Jacob. Their team is made up of experienced experienced persons with working with Apple incorporations and Google. This is the advisors. Um, Also, one thing I want to talk about is the roadmap. The roadmap at the moment is at the token sale, token distribution at the moment, token sales, and available on the hosted on Stellar blockchain. And the wallet also has option integrating option for you to save Ethereum based, ERC based tokens, Stellar based tokens, and BTC based tokens. So you can transfer any kind of tokens there. For your questions to be answered, check out their Telegram. Join the Telegram. If you have a Telegram app, you can get that on App Store. Register and join the. I'll drop in the link below. You can join their Telegram below. You can also read the white paper, so you get to know about the Pixby project. And for more information to keep up with upcoming milestones that will be coming up with the roadmap, you put in your address here on Pixby website. I will drop in the link below, and you register and be sure that you will get notifications of new milestones coming up. Thank you for listening. I wish you won't miss this great opportunity and get one for your kids. Thank you and have a nice day.